Our isolated mirroring brush for radial mirroring now rotates the internals of the tiles correctly. Let's go look for the code before we run out of time. So within the MIRMAID function section, within this auto tile rotating section, we have taken a whole bunch of code. Like all this code here has been moved and slightly edited from the original counterclockwise function it was inside of. So we pasted it into this rotation dir helper function that rotates either clockwise if positive, counterclockwise if negative, if this value inputted is positive or negative. So all we did is pasted this in here into this ETF 2022 section, and then down here we did some modifications. So within this R section here, we have the original code right here, but then we pasted this block down here, and we changed the positives to negatives, and then bounds checking lower and looping back over to the top. So this is the anti-clockwise rotation. So this is our clockwise rotation going positive. Here's our anti-clockwise rotation going negative. Then here's our output variable right here. And then down here, this is our rotation clockwise function. So all that code that used to be inlined, all that big block of code you saw, that's up here. This big block of code used to be right in here, but we've put it up into that reusable function, and now we're calling that reusable function here with a positive, which is going to rotate clockwise, because CW for clockwise. Then down a little bit further in this U32 symmetric radial isolated code, we've swapped out the clockwise for the counterclockwise. So this has been changed to counterclockwise, and then these three sites here have been changed to counterclockwise. And that's all we did in this video. So here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes, and some other footnotes. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You are on this playlist. Source code is here, and you can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.